Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm always in the sun. I'll be running around or walking around while the sun is hitting me in front, and I'm always trying to protect myself from that. So this where this JS compact umbrella works in. So this is a great umbrella. It's compact. It just fits everywhere I put it in my bag or any of my travel backpacks that I use, and it has a great button that it will always open the umbrella in the right way. It's great protector, it's windproof, and it's waterproof. So every single time that I water hits the umbrella, it repels to the sides, and it's just great build. So if you're looking for an umbrella that's gonna do the job, that's gonna protect you, it's gonna be compact, you can put it in your backpacks or any of your travel luggages, and it's just going to be reliable all the time. It has even a quick dry function. This takes a little bit of water and you switch it over and you move it to different sides. It's all dry already. You can put it in the right place. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.